In the depths of our solar system, among the rings of Saturn, lies a moon that defies our expectations and ignites our imagination. Enceladus. The visuals transition to showcase Enceladus, a small shimmering moon with an icy surface surrounded by an ethereal glow. Imagine hidden beneath this icy crust a vast ocean, a liquid realm untouched by the cold expanse of space. A subsurface ocean of potential wonders. Recent discoveries have unveiled Enceladus' secret hypothermal vents. Like the chimneys of Earth's deep-sea trenches, these vents may hold the key to life beyond our home planet. What secrets lie beneath its frozen facade? What mysteries await us in this seemingly distant and desolate world? Is it just the Enceladus that James Webb Space Telescope speculates of having water, or there is more? You will get to know this and plenty more as we dive into the details of today's show. However, before getting started with the video officially, here's a quick reminder that you can subscribe for free and like the video so that we can boost the algorithm. Comments are most welcomed. Before going to Enceladus, let's dive into another marvel of JWST, a comet withholding life. Water has been discovered orbiting a rare comet that is situated in the main asteroid belt between Jupiter and Mars by the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST's sighting, marks yet another scientific milestone because it is the first time that gas, in this case water vapor, has been seen to surround a comet in the main asteroid belt. This is significant because it demonstrates how ice from the main asteroid belt could have maintained water from the early solar system. In the past, we've seen objects in the main belt with all the characteristics of comets, but only with this precise spectral data from the JWST can we say, yes, it's definitely water ice that is creating that effect. University of Maryland astronomer Michael Kelly, who led this research, said in a statement, "With the JWST's observations of Comet Red, we can now demonstrate that water ice from the early solar system can be preserved in the asteroid belt. The discovery of water vapor near Comet 238P Red may be greatly support the idea that comets brought water, a necessary component for life, to Earth. But comet research has also revealed a mystery. Comet 238P Red is devoid of the carbon dioxide that astronomers had anticipated seeing. The team was more surprised by the apparent absence of carbon dioxide than by the detection of water vapor because carbon dioxide has been estimated to make up as much as 10% of the volatile materials in comets that is easily cooked off by the sun in the past. There are two reasons, according to the scientists, why carbon dioxide may be lacking from Comet 238P Red. One possibility is that the comet once included carbon dioxide, which it has since lost as a result from heat from the sun. Being in the asteroid belt for a long time could do it. Carbon dioxide evaporates more easily than water ice and could percolate out over billions of years, Kelly said. The alternative theory for the lack of carbon dioxide is that this main belt comet may have been formed in an area of the solar system devoid of the compound. Come here frequently? Examining comets in the main asteroid belt. The main asteroid belt is mostly home to rocky things like asteroids, as its name suggests. However, it does occasionally host a comet-like object like Comet 238P Red. These cometary bodies can also be recognized by the fact that they periodically become brighter while being encircled by a halo of material called a coma. They are also capable of growing a comet-like tail of material. The coma and the tail of a comet are made of solid frozen material which sublimates into gas as the comet gets closer to the sun and warms up. All comets are thought to originate from either the Oort cloud, which is thought to exist at the very edge of the solar system, or the Kuiper belt, which extends past Neptune. These locations would provide the water ice in these bodies with protection from solar radiation, allowing it to be preserved, whereas the location closer to the sun near Mars might not. Comet 238P Red was one of these three objects that contributed to establishing this family of comets that were discovered closer to Earth. The classification of main belt comet is a very recent one. It wasn't apparent to astronomers whether these ice worlds could likewise retain frozen water. This is the first concrete proof they have. Observing the comet in such detail is quite the feat for the powerful space telescope, and it represents the first time that gas has been confirmed in such a main belt comet. Our water-soaked world, teeming with life and unique in the universe as far as we know, is something of a mystery. We're not sure how all this water got here, research co-author and Webb Deputy Project Scientist for Planetary Science, Stephanie Mellam, said in a statement. Understanding the history of water distribution in the solar system will help us to understand other planetary systems and if they could be on their way to hosting an Earth-like planet. The team will now aim to look past Comet 238P Red to discover if similar rare comets have similar compositions. This could involve further observations with the JWST and other telescopes in situ missions that could actually collect samples from main belt comets. These objects are in the asteroid belt are small and faint, and with the JWST, we can finally see what's going on with them and draw some conclusions. Co-authors in Universities for Research in Astronomy, AURA, astronomer Heidi Hamel said. Do other main belt comets also lack carbon dioxide? Either way, it will be exciting to find out. This comet was not the only celestial being that has been discovered by the magnificent James Webb Space Telescope having water. There are other candidates too. And when we talk about other potential candidates, it does not necessarily mean to have a cloning world that may or may not host life at a distance about 1 million of light years away. Here we are talking about our own solar system. So let me walk you through the chilling surface of Saturn's moon, Enceladus. Enceladus, the moon of marvels. We are about to enter a world of wonder in the vastness of our solar system. Welcome to Enceladus, Saturn's captivating moon. As we dig deeper, we find cracks on the moon's surface through which a majestic plume of water vapor emerges, defying our assumptions. Hidden beneath its frozen shell is a subsurface ocean, a haven for life. The chemical components of life are contained within this huge cloud, which is far greater than anything previously. Enceladus, an ocean world in our neighborhood of stars, tantalizingly emerges from the frozen bowels of the moon and presents a rare chance to look for extraterrestrial life. Its salty ocean, protected by a frozen shell, may contain living things powered by the enigmatic energy of hydrothermal vents beneath the water. However, how do we solve this cosmic riddle? The 1.5 million kilometers away James Webb Space Telescope has provided a window into Enceladus' mysteries. Has the solar system suddenly evolved into a fascinating multi-planet star system capable of harboring life? The full moon of Saturn, Enceladus, has unleashed a gigantic plume of water vapor that is unlike anything before seen. In a startling revelation seen by the James Webb Space Telescope, the possible seeds of life that might be smuggling themselves out from under the cold, frozen surface of the moon are held within the embrace of this magnificent below cloud. In 2005, the intrepid NASA spacecraft Cassini revealed a groundbreaking discovery: the existence of icy particles emerging from Enceladus' secret underground ocean and flinging themselves through fissures in the mysterious moon's surface. James Webb Space Telescope detects something strange yet ambitious. JWST now reveals that this material is being propelled by invisible forces and is moving faster than previously thought, with tentacles reaching farther than Enceladus' own bounds. "It's enormous," shouted a planetary astronomer at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center. However, she teases and withholds further information, hinting at an upcoming scientific study that promises to reveal the entire scope of this astounding discovery. While JWST's wider panoramic perspective and its highly sensitive equipment caught airy whispers of gaseous signals wafting over the realm of Enceladus, Cassini could only detect ice granules that stayed in close proximity to the moon's surface. In a fleeting moment of cosmic communion on that fatal day, November 9, 2022, the JWST focused its attention on Enceladus and revealed an image that was beyond human comprehension: an expanse of unimaginable proportions and a cold plume of water vapor that reached into the depths were captured in just 4.5 minutes of data. Potential signs of life. The grandeur of this magnificent show will be quantified in the upcoming scientific publication, which also tell us how much water was released and at what temperature. For the time being, we are aware that the data points to a low-density plume that is more akin to a diffuse cold cloud than a moist spray. That's bad news for anyone wanting to collect samples from the plume in search of life, as there may not be enough of it as it's to be seen. However, the mysterious Enceladus moon continues to enthrall and charm scholars, inspiring them to conduct more research. Plans to unlock the mysteries contained therein are already in motion as a result of the JWST's astounding discoveries. A lengthy study of Enceladus is one of the ambitious projects included in the most recent list of observations that the Webb organizers announced. This next venture will spend 6 times as much time as the first one did looking for chemical substances, like organic compounds and hydrogen peroxide, that are linked to habitability. A bold Orbilander mission that would gently orbit the moon for a long time before making its victorious touchdown at its frigid southern pole is one of the suggestions now being considered. Sneak-like robot to explore the icy moon. Another idea calls for the creation of an autonomous sneak-like robot that would explore Enceladus' hidden ocean by navigating its perilous subterranean depths. But the JWST's innovative endeavors are not just focused on the alluring moon of Enceladus. A visionary planetary scientist from NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center captivated the audience with an astounding revelation during the conference, Geronimo Villon. On Jupiter's moon Europa, the telescope discovered the existence of carbon dioxide. Given that carbon and oxygen are essential components of life as we know it on Earth, the ramifications of this discovery are nothing short of staggering. NASA is prepared to launch a mission to Europa in the upcoming year, digging even farther into the intriguing depths of this oceanic world as a monument to our curiosity. We are at the beginning of a new era in the exploration of our vast solar system, brimming with limitless possibilities and extraordinary revelations, according to NASA. Humanity is poised on the brink of a discovery as the James Webb Space Telescope pushes the frontiers of our knowledge and reveals wonders that defy our capacity for imagination. The cosmos urges us to go more and reveal the mysteries woven into its cosmic tapestry with each magnificent revelation. Our unquenchable curiosity is fed by the search for knowledge, the search for extraterrestrial life, and the study of celestial planets, all of which are driving us toward an uncertain but tantalizing future. The previously unfathomable is about to become real, and the celestial dance of potential is about to start playing out right in front of our eyes. With that, we have reached the end of today's mission. What do you think of the possibility of life on a shimmering cold moon? Do let us know your opinion in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. It will help us to understand our audience and allows YouTube to suggest similar videos to you. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you at the next one.